Let's talk about meme stocks because Roaring Kitty got word that he might not be welcome at E-Trade any longer. First of all, Mark, you as a former practicing attorney on the securities side, the fact that they're calling him out for being a customer of E-Trade, I don't think that's kosher. I don't think anybody should be called out as far as where your accounts reside. I know if this was an institution, Mark, that, there's probably some restitution due to any institution that might be called out in this way. I really don't understand how they could do this, but apparently his stake, which, might have been as much as $170 million, apparently resides at E-Trade, and E-Trade apparently saying they might show him the door. What's your read on this? I mean, the stock's dropping. It's down 5%, GameStop, and AMC likewise taking some water over the helm.
Yeah, well, AMC has obviously been moving in tandem or in sympathy with GameStop over the past few weeks since the kitty came roaring back. And look, I'm focused, John, less on whether or not they should have disclosed that he was an account holder there, and more on whether or not the allegation that his conduct constitutes potential stock manipulation is accurate. And, I think this may be another one that where there's smoke, there may be fire. I think these brokerage firms, E-Trade and others where he may have accounts, are probably saying there's just too much risk here for us to have a guy that's got the ability to move a stock so dramatically with a single tweet, right? The first one being, leaning over the desk, people figuring out what the heck that meant. Then now that, he's got this massive long position, seems to have held it since this thing came roaring back. If there's intent or there's a perception of intent to manipulate a security, and that's broadly interpreted, particularly by Gary Gensler's SEC, you could have a problem. Roaring Kitty could have a problem here, and I would not be surprised to see him shown the door by E-Trade and other financial firms.
It puts a whole new spin on, this meme army that has marched with him into these stocks.
Right.
To his benefit, to your point, to his benefit, because people look at that and they say, hey, is he the one causing this upheaval and this volatility? And quite obviously he was, but is it legal or is it not legal? It's certainly not an insider trade, but nonetheless, it may be deemed by some to be not playing within the rules.